Hi guys, I'm showing my latest in-stock squishy. The first one that I'm going to show you is the Rilakkuma, Sleeping Rilakkuma. It's very squishy. I don't really have a lot of stocks for this. I only have 4. I only have 4 of them. And the next one that I'm going to show you is the face bun. This face bun is very squishy. This one is the smiley face one. For the smiley face one, I have 2. And then I have the eyes closed with lashes design. This face bun, I think there is like vegetables and hams inside. And I have 2 for this as well. I have this funny eyebrow looking face bun. It comes with a tag also. I have this face, the face one, smiley face, and the eyes is very big. I have this with the 2 teeth, happy smile. This is also very squishy. I have this sesame burger with ham and vegetable. Okay, and I have ham and cheese sesame burger. For the sesame burger, I do have like 3 of them for the ham and cheese design, and this one is just one design. And the last, this is a jumbo chick. I think it's called jumbo chick. It's very squishy also. I have 3 for this jumbo chick. I have 3 of them. And last but not least, I'm going to show you this strawberry squish toy. I have red color and I have pink color. This too is kind of like limited because I don't bring in more, just one color for each. If I'm not wrong, the red color one, it's like reserved to one of my customer. You can actually have a look at I don't know whether you can see. It's supposed to be like a Mickey Mouse inside. Okay, so here are my recent in stocks. It's not a lot. Most of them are just like 2 or 3 or 4, maximum to 10. So if let's say you're interested and you want to know the price, you can just leave your comment down this video and I will get back to you. Thank you for watching.